Sorry, my video was messed up. So we have to do the part 2. Here's the remote control out of the box. Let me check on this. Let me check on the instructions. Oh, wow. They're too big, so we need some small. I'll go get it. So we don't need some big ones. We need some small ones to get working. And we don't know how to get those batteries to work. And we need one more. So that's one. You see? That's too big. Oh. Where's the other one? Oh, here's one. That's the one I need. There we go. I don't know these tapes are on the box. For some reason they know how to open these a little faster, but I know some people love these RC cars. But remote control isn't so bad if we got one of those from the future. Oh, I know, it's pretty cool. It's so hard. Hard as a struggle. Oh, I got this. I know. Look. There we go. It also came with a charger. So when the RCs die, you can charge it whatever you think you're. So when the RCs die, you can charge it whatever you think your mind is blown. Wow, he goes super far. I don't think he never talks about how Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles drives in the car. I don't think that turtle doesn't know how to drive. Why do you ever think he doesn't know how to drive? I bet it is. Sometimes those turtles doesn't know how to drive. They doesn't have a driver's license. Oh, they do have a driver's license. And they could get more lessons, and they could get more license than that. Oh, what about the loud noise? The loud noise happened? I bet it is. I thought more. What about a crash? Oh, loud noises of that. I pretend they crash other cars, or I pretend they crash all of their cars. I pretend they crash all of their cars, or smash their cars, or go into more cars. I bet it is. Oh, ouch! That's my knees. Let's turn it off. So they won't die forever. If I really like this Turtle RC toy, it's probably the coolest thing ever. His head bobbles. And his RC goes forwards and backwards. And remote controls goes forwards and backwards, I guess. And it says Turtles right there. But I don't know why they look familiar. Boosters. It looks like an Outback car. Let me know in the comments below if you know what car it is. I don't know why this car looks like it. I don't know. These cars aren't familiar than us. Why do you see a car like this before? I don't know. Some of these cars are different than ever. Some of these cars are different than us. Flames? I don't know. These cars aren't Sometimes there's cars. Sometimes these cars are more than ever. Look at his tongue. I thought he can lick his tongue. But this is the best one time in your collection. That's what we know. If you want to be a car, that's so cool if you have one. So I bet you can have one. Never to be one of the greatest car in the world. I thought they haven't. I really don't care. Well, they do know how to drive, and they could crash them all. I bet you can. I thought they never got more than... I thought they more... You don't know how to say it. I thought they have turtle powers, and they don't know why you use turtle powers to move, and they can't get funnier to move their powers. Why they move their powers to move? I don't know. Let me tell you. My powers don't move as far as much. I don't know how to move mine. I can't listen to me. I don't know how much powers I get. Do I care? This was about the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Leo's roll over. promise. RC. Remote control bot.